Meron tayong i-check na aircon unit. Ayan. Check natin, hindi umandar, mainit yung compressor. Ayun, ito at ang sira oh. Ayun oh, sunog. So, ang gagawin natin, kuhan muna natin dito. Tagalin ko muna yung yung sa coil para hindi umandar sa baba. Nakakuan pala, saan ba ang pinaka-supply nito? Ito. Ito lang. Tagalin natin yung pinaka-supply ito. So ito guys, yan, i-check natin itong compressor kung may continuity. Pero may nag-request sa akin na ating subscribers sa Facebook. Mainit itong i-English ko daw yung pagsasalita, sabi niya, para daw lalong dumami yung ating subscribers. Ay hindi ko alam kung paano. Di-Englishin natin konti. Sige, turuan kita. So this time I will teach my friend, my colleague, to check the compressor, how to check the compressor. This is a basic checking for the compressor. So I will teach the new guy, my colleague, to this guy is electrical, but I will teach him to how to check the aircon compressor. So okay, check this one, the common, and we will check the continuity. Now it's no have continuity. Okay, now coming the common, saka, and then starting common, and then running. Okay, there is a continuity. So now he know how to check the compressor. Okay, dugo ata, hindi kaya dugo ang aking ilong. Mainit pa naman. Mainit pa naman, ang hirap mag-English. Kung hindi lang request ng ating kaibigan na taga dito, ating kaibigan yun kaya pagbigyan natin, Englishin natin na konti. So now we already fixed the burning terminal. Now this one connection, and we will testing now the compressor. So we will check the ampere or current. Okay, 6.58. Okay, it's working. Okay, the pipe is cooling.